You did everything right. You back-tested your strategy, studied the charts, and promised yourself you'd be disciplined. But then one bad trade sends you spinning. You start revenge trading, you break all your rules, and just like that, a whole week of hard-earned profit is gone. You've read Trading in the Zone, you understand the ideas, but when real money is on the line, everything falls apart. What if the answer isn't more willpower or some new magic indicator? What if it's a series of mindset shifts that completely change how you see losses? Stay with me, because what you're about to hear can turn your worst losses into the foundation of your future success. First, you must accept one uncomfortable truth. The market is uncertain, completely uncertain. As traders, we become addicted to being right. We analyze, we find the perfect setup, and deep down we believe we know what will happen next. But the market doesn't care. And when it moves against us, it's not just money we lose. It's our ego, our identity. We feel wrong. We feel exposed. And that emotional shock is what leads to impulsive decisions. So you must shift your mindset. You are not here to predict. You are here to execute. Before every trade, remind yourself, the outcome is not in my control. Only my process is. Accept the risk before entering. Define your stop loss. Choose your position size. Once you do that, the loss is no longer failure. It becomes part of the game. Next, you must stop thinking in certainties and start thinking in probabilities. Most traders ride an emotional roller coaster. One win makes them feel invincible. One loss makes them feel useless. But each trade means nothing on its own. Think like a casino. A casino doesn't care about the next hand. It cares about the next 1,000. Your edge is not certainty. It is probability over time. Once you understand this, you stop reacting to individual trades. You start trusting the long game. Then comes a critical shift. Stop focusing on outcomes. Focus on process. A beginner believes a good trade is one that makes money. A professional knows a good trade is one that follows the plan, because money is random in the short term. Execution is not. If you judge yourself by profit and loss, your emotions will control you. But if you judge yourself by discipline, you take back control. After every trade, ask yourself, did I follow my rules? If the answer is yes, then it was a good trade, even if it lost, especially if it lost. Now here's where everything changes. You must see losses differently. A loss is not failure. It is tuition. The market is teaching you something every time you lose, but only if you are willing to listen. Instead of asking, why am I so bad at this? Ask, what did I learn from this trade? Was the entry too early? Was the stop too tight? Was emotion involved? Detach your identity from the outcome. You are not your trades. You are the one learning from them. Next, stop relying on willpower. Willpower fades. It breaks under pressure. Instead, build a new identity. You are not an emotional trader trying to be disciplined. You are a disciplined trader. That is who you are. Professionals don't argue with their rules. They follow them. Create a clear trading plan, non-negotiable rules. And when you feel the urge to break them, step away. Break the emotional cycle before it breaks you. Every time you act with discipline, you reinforce that identity. Over time, it becomes automatic. Then comes a powerful shift in priorities. Amateurs chase profits. Professionals protect capital. Before entering any trade, ask yourself, how much can I lose? Not how much can I win? Because one bad trade can destroy weeks of progress. Control your risk, and profits will follow. Risk small, stay consistent, stay in the game. This is how you survive long enough to win. Finally, the most advanced shift of all. Become aware of your own mind, your thoughts, your emotions, your impulses. Most traders are controlled by them without realizing it. They see what they want to see. They believe what they want to believe. But a professional observes. When fear appears, you notice it. When greed appears, you recognize it. And instead of reacting, you pause. You choose. This is where real control begins. You are no longer the emotional trader inside the storm. You are the calm observer watching it. And from that place, you make better decisions. Clear, precise, unshaken. So remember this. Uncertainty is the game. Probabilities are your edge. Process is your focus. Losses are your teachers. Discipline is your identity. Risk is your priority. And awareness is your power. Don't try to master everything at once. Choose one weakness, one shift, and work on it for the next 30 days. Track it, observe it, improve it. Because trading is not just about making money, it's about mastering yourself. And when you do that, the results will follow. If you found this valuable, subscribe and stay with me, because this journey is just beginning.